and gold has doubled. So as the dollar has only, gone up 5%, gold has doubled. Now, what happens if the dollar gets clobbered and starts to fall fast? You'll see gold and silver slingshot. And in an IRA, you can own just about anything that is 24 karat or better. The American Eagle has an ounce of 24 karat gold in it, but it has 1/10 of an ounce of alloy added to it that decreases the purity of 22 karat, but it is still allowed in IRAs. It doesn't need to be a proof American Eagle, commercial strike, but eagles, buffaloes, maple leafs, kangaroos, philharmonics, silver Krugerrands, not gold, because gold are not 24 karat. And they're not exempt like the American Eagles are. Gold bars, silver bars, as long as they're NYMEX or COMEX approved. All of that works.
In today's market recap, global silver demand forecasted to rise to 1.2 billion ounces in 2024. Buoyed by strong industrial offtake, global silver demand is expected to hit 1.2 billion ounces in 2024, which, if achieved, would be the second highest level ever recorded. This amount would also be a new annual high for the industrial sector, according to analysis from the Silver Institute and Precious Metals Consultancy Metals Focus. Costco's move into selling Silver Eagle coins to members is the latest move of the warehouse retailer to sell precious metals. It follows the company's entry into selling 1 ounce gold bars in early 2023. And by the end of the year, they had sold over $100 million worth of gold during the third quarter, according to company official. Silver has found the $22 level to be extraordinarily supported multiple times in the past. So it should not be a huge surprise to see that it has happened again. The $22 level for me is a major barrier that seemingly is very difficult to break through to the downside. And therefore, I think a lot of traders are just simply taking advantage of cheap silver when they see it. That being said, we are somewhat in the middle of the overall consolidation area that is between $22 on the bottom and $23.50 on the top. Now we'll show you more clips of Rafi Farber, but first, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you do not miss out on our daily videos, and check our pinned comment for some very special sign up bonuses.
$100 a piece. That would put it at $3,600 melt value. They were buying 1 ounce silver coins for almost $60 a piece. And all of these coins were coins that, I do this every day and have been since I was 19 years old. And when I Google these coins, I say, oh, okay, I know who the mint is. The mints can be very reputable, but the coins themselves, I don't know what the hell they are. And that should say something. I've been doing this for 34 years and done 10 billion in sales nearly, and I don't know what the hell these coins are, but they're being sold under the guise of being special. And I want people to know that whenever I sell coins, if I had my druthers, I would buy nothing but pre-1933 gold coins and Morgan dollars and peace dollars. I understand them. I've been doing this for 3.5 decades. I understand what numismatics are, but to me, numismatics are pre-1933 US period, like the coins behind me. Those are true pieces of Americana. What these dealers are doing is that they're selling modern minted coins, most of them fractional in weight. 1/2 ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1.5 ounces, 3/4 of an ounce, whatever. And they're being sold under the guise of, no, this is what you want. The potential is amazing. They're limited edition, the American Eagle and the gold bullion buffalo. And, those are just common coins. You don't want those. And even some will talk about confiscation, how these special numismatic brand new coins are safe. Bullshit. They're not safe from confiscation. A desperate government will do desperate things. Pre-1933 coins were written into legislation as being collectible, and the executive order that talked about gold confiscation said coins minted prior to 1933 would be exempt, and it was dentists, jewelers, and coin collectors of pre-33 gold that would have been given the exemption, and who knows if that would even stand up. That's why a lot of people bought the pre-33 stuff. I bought it for the first 20 years of my career because it was nearly the same price as gold bullion, and you had better upside potential. The confiscatory side of things, that was okay, cool, that's an added bonus, but that is never really why I bought it. But
Recap of what we've learned so far, the types of coins to buy, how to properly assess gold and silver numismatics, and how to properly plan IRS investments. Are gold and silver wildly undervalued, or are we going to continue to be stuck in the middle of nowhere? Post in the comment section down below and share some lights on the matter. Subscribe if you have yet not done so, and take advantage of our Bybit sign up promo where you get free $20 just for creating an account so you can trade real crypto within an hour. Let's get back into the video.
what is happening is that these companies are selling modern minted quarter ounce gold coins at levels that these people will never get their money out of them. And they are being lied to as the rationale for it. These are very big companies that are using, in many cases, company spokesmen, wealthy individuals or public figures that are well known to speak about the merits of these companies. At the same time, they are literally pillaging their clients. And I do damage control with a lot of these people, and I'm horrified by what I see. And the thing of it is if the CEO of these companies were sitting right here in front of me and he wasn't lying through his teeth, he would, and I said, if this was your mom and dad, how would you feel about it? And he would look me in the face and say, you're right, but I can get away with it. And all I'm simply saying to you is this, that for everyone out there, when you're buying gold and silver coins, whether it be in an IRA or outside of an IRA, you think of a vanilla hot fudge sundae. You start, unless you're 6 years old, and fill a bowl with sprinkles and cherries and hot fudge, and then a little scoop of ice cream is kind of what they're talking about, except the sprinkles are rancid as far as I'm concerned. And the hot fudge, it's old and it's really not good anymore. And you know, and even if you think this is something rare, it ain't, because if I don't know what it is and I'm going to bid melt value on the damn thing, well, then it's, or even behind melt value, because there's something in this industry called the cost of carry. And if this is a gold coin that no one knows what it is, and it sits on my shelf forever. I bought it from someone. It sits on my shelf, and none of my people sell it. No one asks for it. It just sits there and collects dust. That's cost of carry. And so we would then bid right behind spot, 99.5%, melt it down or sell it to someone who wants it. The point of it is that these companies are destroying people's lives, mostly through IRAs at a time in their life when they can't get that money back. And they are being told this is the thing to do for bogus reasons, whether it be profit potential or confiscation. It's all a bunch of bullshit. And there are people being really, 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 really hurt. So what do? You buy a bowl of vanilla ice cream, American Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, 1 ounce gold bars, 1 ounce silver rounds, 1 ounce silver Eagles, 1 ounce silver Maples. And that's it. I mean, you can do kangaroos and philharmonics, but nothing rare, nothing esoteric, nothing goofy, nothing where if you look up that coin that they're recommending and Google it and it doesn't pop up on every other company's website in the country, it's bullshit and it's going to harm you. And when you're paying $800 or $900 for a quarter ounce coin, gold coin, when the price of gold is $2,050, let's say, you know, I can sell you a brand new gold quarter ounce gold eagle, which have high premiums for $1,000 an ounce less, or $250 less per coin than what these people are paying, or way more than that, actually. I mean, I'm doing it off the top of my head, but you're talking, it would be roughly, let me just look. If it's more than $560, $70, and it's too much. And these people are paying $900 for a quarter ounce coin I've never heard of, or $60 for a 1 ounce silver coin, or $90 or $110 for a 2 ounce silver coin. And all of this stuff is goofy stuff I've never heard of that are being sold by companies that pose as being very reputable and are destroying people's futures.
What do you think of today's episode? Do you like this type of educational videos about numismatics, or would you rather see more gold and silver price predictions? Post your answer in the comment section. Share this video with a gold bug and watch this video because you'll love it. I see you on the other side.